Welcome to the Entrepreneur's Weekly Recap. This week felt like one of those weeks where everything looks okay on the outside, but underneath, it's a little wobbly. Sales are happening, kind of. Conversations are flowing, sort of. But for a lot of business owners I speak with, there's this frustrating pattern. They're working hard. They're saying all the right things, and yet somehow their pipeline feels just as unpredictable as it did 6 months ago. That's the thread we pulled on this week, and it's a big one. In Monday's Confessions of a Business Owner episode, we unpacked what happens when you're selling, but without a system. And let me be real with you. This is one of the most expensive hidden because without a system, every sales win feels like luck. Every follow up is a gamble, and every month feels like you're starting from scratch. Now, when things do slow down, you blame the economy or the offer or yourself. But 9 times out of 10, it's not any of those. It's simply because you never built a system. Here's what I want to land with you. Sales doesn't work without structure. It doesn't matter how good your pitch is. If you don't have a consistent path from interest to close, it's not going to work. Because selling isn't about pressure, it's about process. And without that process, you're not just wasting time, you're stealing from your own future. You're borrowing energy today to fix what you didn't build yesterday. And at some point, that bill is going to come due. And this message couldn't come at a better time because the business world is starting to catch up to this reality. Let me tell you a few things that happened this week that really tell the story. Number one, YouTube is retiring the trending tab. After years of pushing viral content, YouTube's pulling back. They're replacing the trending tab with category-specific charts like music, podcasts, gaming, and more. Why? Because even YouTube knows people want structured discovery, not random hype. And the same is true in your business. If your sales process depends on being found by luck or word of mouth, you're already way behind. Number two, AI-powered CRMs are exploding in small business. Close.com, Pipedrive, HubSpot AI, they're all reporting a spike in small business adoption, not for automation's sake, but for consistency. Owners are realizing if you don't have follow-up built in, your pipeline isn't a pipeline, it's more like a puddle. Number three, consumer confidence is up, but spending isn't. People are feeling better, but they're not buying more, which means the optimism is there, but the action still needs to be earned. If you don't have a system for nurturing trust, that optimism won't help you close a thing. And number four, YouTube cracks down on low effort content. This is going to affect a lot of people. It's big. As of July 15th, YouTube updated their monetization rules. No more easy money from reaction videos, AI clip junk, or content that doesn't offer something real. The message, systems, originality, and value matter. If you find yourself mailing it in on YouTube or in your business, you're going. So here's what all this means for you as a business owner. Sales can't be left to chance anymore. Visibility can't be left to luck, and consistency can't be built from adrenaline. We're in a season now where process is the power. And if your sales process is still living in your head or in your inbox or on a bunch of sticky notes, it's time to fix that. You don't need pressure. Most people need structure, and that structure is what protects your future. Now, we'll be back Monday with another episode of Confessions of a Business Builder. Until then, have a great weekend, keep building forward, and give your future something solid to stand on. I'm Randy Bridges. Thank you.